The earthquake lights over Mexico, 2017. In September 2017, just before a devastating 8.1 magnitude earthquake struck southern Mexico, residents were stunned by a surreal sight: bright flashes of light erupting across the night sky. These were not lightning bolts. They were earthquake lights, a rare and poorly understood phenomenon where luminous glows or bursts of light appear near seismic zones. Captured by eyewitness videos, the lights flashed in eerie greens, whites, and blues. Jellyfish-like plasma sprites seen from the ISS, 2021. In 2021, astronauts aboard the International Space Station witnessed something extraordinary: sprites exploding like jellyfish high above thunderstorms. These bizarre red plasma bursts occur far above typical lightning in the mesosphere and are nearly impossible to see from Earth's surface. Looking like a glowing, upside-down jellyfish with long tentacle-like filaments, sprites are triggered by powerful lightning strikes, but instead of grounding themselves like normal bolts, they fire upward towards space. The hovering ship illusion in Cornwall, 2021. In early 2021, a ship off the coast of Cornwall, England, appeared to be levitating above the water. Photos circulated the globe, sparking theories ranging from alien tech to Photoshop. But the reality was even more fascinating. It was a Fata Morgana, a type of superior mirage. This illusion occurs when cold air lies close to the sea surface with warmer air above, bending light rays downward. The vanishing glowing orb in Siberia, 2020. In late 2020, security footage from eastern Siberia captured a glowing orb hovering in the sky, slowly shrinking and vanishing without a trace. The eerie light puzzled many, with initial theories ranging from military flares to alien probes. While the incident remains partially unexplained, scientists suggest it could be related to rocket launches or high-altitude atmospheric testing that causes lingering chemical clouds illuminated by the sun below the horizon. Flaming tornado in California, 2020. In the heat of California's wildfires in 2020, a rare phenomenon tore through the landscape: a fire whirl, also known as a flaming vortex. This terrifying sight resembles a tornado made of fire, with flames spiraling upward in a vortex of intense heat and rotating wind. These events form when rising hot air mixes with turbulent winds, creating a spinning column of fire that can reach thousands of feet into the sky. Lenticular UFO clouds over the Andes, 2019. In 2019, a time-lapse over the Andes captured lenticular clouds forming in stacked, saucer-like layers. These clouds are created when moist air flows over mountains and condenses into lens-shaped formations. Smooth, symmetrical, and hovering silently over peaks, they're a common source of UFO reports. The horizontal rainbow of the USA sky, 2020. Unlike your typical arc-shaped rainbow, the Circumhorizon arc cuts across the sky in a flat, horizontal band of bright colors. Seen in the USA during summer 2020, this phenomenon requires specific conditions. The sun must be very high in the sky, and light must pass through cirrus clouds made of ice crystals. Double mock suns over Canada, 2018. In 2018, residents in northern regions caught sight of two glowing orbs on either side of the sun, creating what looked like a three-sun sky. This optical trick, known as parhelia or sundogs, is caused by the refraction of sunlight through ice crystals in the upper atmosphere. When those crystals are perfectly aligned, they bend light horizontally, creating mirror images of the sun. Surrounded by halo rings, these false suns have been recorded for centuries, even inspiring art and mythology. Bioluminescent waves in 2021. In coastal regions from California to Thailand, 2021 saw spectacular displays of bioluminescent plankton, lighting up waves in electric blue. Caused by dinoflagellates, a type of microscopic organism, this glow is a defense mechanism triggered when they're disturbed by movement. Surfers, swimmers, and nighttime beachgoers watched in amazement as glowing blue ripples trailed their every step or stroke. The 1,000-kilometer Morning Glory Cloud, Queensland, 2018. One of Earth's strangest cloud formations appeared over northern Australia in 2018. Stretching over 1,000 kilometers, the Morning Glory Cloud is a long tubular formation that slowly rolls across the sky like a living wave. Rare and largely isolated to Queensland, these clouds form due to unique combinations of humidity, temperature, and sea breezes. Volcanic lightning over Indonesia, 2018. One of the most explosive spectacles captured in recent years occurred during a 2018 volcanic eruption in Indonesia. As ash and gas blasted skyward, volcanic lightning illuminated the plume, creating a terrifyingly beautiful storm of sparks and darkness. When ash particles collide at high velocity, they build up static electricity, eventually discharging as lightning. Brocken Spectre over Alpine Ridge, 2020. Hikers in 2020 ascending ridges in the Alps witnessed the Brocken Spectre, a massive shadow of themselves projected onto nearby fog banks, encircled by glowing halos. Named after Germany's Brocken Peak, where it was first described, this illusion is created when the sun is behind the observer and casts their shadow onto clouds below. The effect makes one's silhouette appear enormous and surrounded by rainbow-like rings, an almost spiritual experience for those lucky enough to see it. Live fish raining in Thailand, 2021. In an event so bizarre it sounds made up, 2021 saw live fish scattered across streets in Thailand following a violent storm. This was no miracle, it's a rare but documented phenomenon where strong updrafts lift small creatures like fish or frogs from lakes or rivers and deposit them elsewhere. Spinning ice circle in Maine, 2019. In a Maine river in 2019, a perfectly circular slab of ice over 90 meters in diameter began to rotate slowly, mesmerizing viewers both online and in person. Known as an ice circle, this rare occurrence happens when a portion of ice gets caught in an eddy and begins rotating. Friction with surrounding ice slowly shaves its edges into a near-perfect circle. Drone footage revealed the surreal beauty of this cold weather spectacle, like nature's own vinyl record spinning in a river. Sun pillars in Finland, 2021. On a frigid morning in Finland, 2021, vertical beams of light appeared to stretch into the sky from the horizon. These were sun pillars, caused by ice crystals in the atmosphere reflecting sunlight vertically. They're typically seen during sunrise or sunset in cold climates. The sight of a single glowing shaft reaching from the earth to the sky looks like a scene from a myth or legend, but it's pure atmospheric science at work. Diamond dust light pillars in Calgary, 2020. During a particularly cold evening in Calgary in 2020, observers witnessed dozens of multicolored light pillars shimmering over the city. Unlike sun pillars, these are created by artificial lights reflecting off suspended ice crystals, known as diamond dust. The effect turns every streetlight and car headlamp into a towering, ethereal being, a city transformed into a glowing crystal wonderland. Fog bow over the North Sea, 2019. Workers on an offshore platform in 2019 caught sight of a rare fog bow, a rainbow-like arc that appears white. Formed by the same principle as rainbows, but with much smaller droplets, fog bows lack the vivid color and instead appear ghostly and faint. It's an illusion that quietly stuns, especially when seen in such isolated, high-humidity environments like the North Sea. Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds over Japan, 2023. Finally, in 2023, Japan's mountain regions became the stage for Kelvin-Helmholtz billows, clouds that formed in rolling wave shapes due to differing wind speeds at different altitudes. These clouds look exactly like ocean waves frozen in the sky and often appear during windy, unstable atmospheric conditions. Earth's greatest illusions are real. From orbs of plasma to halos made of ice, the Earth continuously challenges what we think we know about light, motion, and perception. These visual phenomena, though bizarre, are all rooted in authentic science and offer a front-row seat to nature's most theatrical displays. Stay alert, keep your cameras ready, and remember, sometimes the sky is more than just blue. It's a canvas for the unimaginable. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Earth's strangest wonders and discover how the world around us hides magic in every sunrise, storm, and snowfall.